How to log in to Threads app. So if you want to log into Threads app, then first you need to open up your Threads application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've installed, open the application. Once you've opened, you can simply go for the login, which will be on the bottom. And here you can enter your Instagram information, because Threads is related to Instagram, or it is linked with Instagram. So you can enter the Instagram login information like your username, email address or mobile number, and the password of your Instagram. But if you have already created the Threads application, then you can go with your Threads login information. So I'll be choosing the information. Once you've entered, tap on login and you'll be logged into your account. So enter the information like your username, email or mobile number, and then enter your password. Tap on allow if you want to allow the notifications, and that's it. You've been logged into your account. You can go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have your login. So that's how you can log into your Threads. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.